Hi, I'm Spotter from TRSI, and this might be a world first, but my personal last production.
Ruhe, Ruhe, Leute, Ruhe. Das ist das Bild, was reinkommt. Das kommt hier, das kommt da, das kommt. Das ist das Bild, was kommt.
I'm Paul, MOVAX from the group TRSI. I am a lead satellite engineer for a US company.
After the first satellite mission in 2014, the RAN satellite, when we sent a 64 executable demo on the firmware of the satellite to space.
Which then disappeared. It stopped working. We were kidding around that the aliens stole it, and yeah, now we are back with our revenge.
Da da da!
We build the satellites to test subsystems for other projects, for bigger satellites. So there was still some space inside the memory left and some time to make an Easter egg which can reach you from orbit.
3, 2, 1, and we have liftoff.
When I first heard about small satellites, that there is actually a possibility for private groups or for small businesses to send up satellites into space, and not only for multi-billion-dollar governmental organizations or something like that. The space virus hit me. We are reaching each point on Earth at least once a day.
So to give you a little bit of a feeling what happens if you were an astronaut and would follow the signal frequency of our satellite, RAFT from TRSI coded a little 10K demo to show you what's behind the space curtain if you reach that signal.
Das ist das Bild, was reinkommt. Das Signal ist das Bild.
Das ist Signal,
So,
das ist
jetzt Ruhe, kommt das Video.
Okay.